Other name is DTP. It is presented by Learn Some Else, an engineering student. First of all, we will look at the content that we are going to cover in today's presentation. First one is definition of desktop publishing, required software for DTP, common features of DTP, hardware component of DTP, software components of DTP, importance of DTP in printing related areas. Now we will discuss about desktop publishing. Desktop publishing is concerned with the designing and printing of record with the help of some software. We are doing it in form of ASCII code. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Now going to next slide. Here is required software for DTP. First one is word processing software. The raw copy is keyed into the computer using a keyboard, and the word processing software is used to process the matter, identifying a paragraph that needs rewriting and make that change. It can check spelling, justify columns of type, and adjust the space between lines. It also provides some graphic features. Here is the name of some word processing software: MacWrite, Apple Macintosh, WordStar, WordPerfect, Microsoft Word, etc. Now next slide. Second software is spreadsheet applications. Spreadsheet applications are used to create complicated tables with easy to read columns, chart, graphs, and various other formats. Name of other useful spreadsheet application which is used to create an even wide variety of graphs and charts. Here is example of spreadsheet applications which are used to in which are used to Now third one is graphic software. Graphic software is used for creating and editing freehand drawings, charts, graphs, illustration, diagrams, etc. It can maybe object-oriented drawing programs. Are those clearly define each elements of graphic form by lines and curves. Example is Corel Draw. And second one is pixel form paint program. It can store much more information about each pixel. They can also provide fine quality photo realistic printouts. Example is Corel Photo Paint, Microsoft Image Composer, Jask Paint Shop programs. Now fourth one is layout software. It allows the user to create text based pages in many styles and formats. Its normal feature is style sheet. These are types of pre-formatted page layout. Example is PageMaker, Color Ventura, Quark Express. Now next slide. Now we are going to discuss about common features of DTP. First one is easy user interface. In many of the software, when the user works with the help of pull down or drop down menus in any of the DTP software, with these menus the user can type text, draw an image, select any symbol and place picture at desired place. And second one is define and applying text. It will be written on tag. Tag is something to be used to write a specific portion and section apart, font size, alignment, multi-column text, etc. Tags are collected in style sheet. And third one is combining text and illustration. DTP will automatically combine figures and text and images on the desired location. It has certain built-in features. And next one is caption. Caption is an introductory and explanatory note written alongside the picture or image. Explain and reduce sizes of figures and text or images, etc. And next, both are drawing lines and page and figure numbering. Now we are going to discuss about hardware component of DTP. First one is computer system, second one is DDR4 RAM, third one is mouse, fourth one is digitizer. Now software component of DTP. Multi-column text, multiple frames, figure numbering, indexing, styling, rotating, scaling, drop capital. All these are software component of DTP. Now we will discuss about importance of DTP in printing related areas. Authors and journalists can prepare their manuscripts on their personal computers. Artists with their basic skills of drawing and layout designing can use the DTP system to create graphics, illustration, etc. Magazine editors use DTP to test their ideas, producing near typeset quality pages showing the layout, graphics, etc. Corporate or business houses can produce browsers, direct mail or communication materials, and other promotional tools quickly and easily with database assisted publishing solutions, eliminating the involvement of any third party. Public relations departments of organization can use DDP to produce consumer newsletter, press material, etc. It helps to enable the more effective advertising of some product. Thank you, friends, to listen me carefully.